Yo people, back with another video. As you can tell by the title, I'm gonna do a weekly outlook. Now, it's been a while since I've done a weekly outlook on my YouTube channel, mainly because I reserved that for people that are in my group. I don't think it'll be fair to just put it out. What I'm gonna do is just go over like 3 pairs I'm gonna cover and then give you that outlook on that, and you can watch them and monitor them and see from what I say and what happens with the pairs, if it happens and whatnot. For my last few videos, I've been giving out a lot of good trades. You'll keep seeing them hit TPs, like my last 3 I think. So I thought, let me just show you the weekly outlook so I can show you even more before. So let's just get straight into them. Let's start off with GBP US dollar. People in my group, you know, we've had a nice trade on this last week and the trend is still bullish. We're looking to continue to trade it up. So simply, what has been happening? So let's take it back to all the way down here when price was ranging. We made some nice money when price was in this range. We bought it up into the top of the range. Price broke out of that range, created a higher high. Come back, retested the support level of the range, used that as support, broke up yet again higher, pulled back to this level, pushed higher, pulled back again to this level, pushed higher. And what do we see now? Another level of support where we're anticipating price to do what? Push higher. Literally, rinse, repeat, same thing over and over again. From the messages I've been getting, I know a lot of viewers are still struggling with their trading. If you want to talk to me about trading, become a profitable trader, learn how to pass funded challenges and get payouts, click the link in the bio to join the Discord community. Make sure to use the code billionaire for 50% off your first 2 months. So let me get rid of this. We just need to focus on what's happening here. What's happening here is price made a higher high, it's broken out. We're anticipating for the pullback to this level of support. We've got resistance to our left, which I don't draw on because I can already see it. But we've broken above this first level of resistance for what I was targeting for my last trade last week. Broken above that. Now we want to see a retest of this level of support. And then because price is in an uptrend, we're anticipating that trend to continue. The trend is your friend, people. So next level of resistance is up here. And that's where I'm going to be aiming for, to be honest. As the first level, a target. I think if price does continue its uptrend, we probably could potentially blow past it. But that's just where I'm looking to come out at, because that's that next level of resistance. So that's GBP US dollar cable. Let's head over to the next pair, GBP CAD. So another pair we've had some nice trades on throughout the weeks as well. If you remember, I think it was last week, I had this nice, beautiful, I think it's like just on the 7R trade of this level for breaking retest. I showed you lot when I entered that, and I showed you the after as well, so you already know. But yeah, price has been for a long time now since these lows here in an uptrend. So simply, we're just following that trend as your friend. Right now, we've broken and retested this level of support, created a reverse in the shoulder, as you can see, got the head, left shoulder, right shoulder. We're currently now just at this level of resistance. So in order for me to get in long, would have to see a break above this level, and we want to see a higher high made. So how that would be is, as you can see, the right shoulder's here. We've already formed that reverse in the shoulder. What we want to see now for price to continue and show us that it wants to go up by breaking this level and then retesting for the rejection for our entry. Also, in addition to the reverse in the shoulder, we've got a double bottom on this right shoulder, which is forming. So that's nice confluence there. Obviously, we've had a break retest at this level. So simple. Friends are friend. That's what we're looking for to happen. Targets. We just zoom out and we look to our left. We've already tapped this level of resistance, as you can see here. So how do you think if price breaks above here, we can break past this level and make a new high? We've got level of resistance here. We look to our left for this previous reverse in the shoulder here. So that's exactly what I'll be aiming for. If price does break of this level, come back, retest this level, and we get a rejection, I'm aiming for these highs up in here. So that's GBP CAD in a nutshell, nice and simple. Final pair I will go over is Euro Canadian dollar. So with this pair, I've got 2 potential scenarios. First scenario is price is still in uptrend. We're still putting in high highs, high lows, high high, high low, high high, high low, high high, essentially a higher low, and then continuing higher. So first scenario I'm gonna say is we could continue that trend and move bullish, even though so we've had a break retest here and continued higher. We're currently at this lows and at this level of support. So what could happen is, because I don't see this as a clear break of this level, I want to see clear breaks of levels before I look to short. So to me, this is not a clear break of this level. So what could happen if this level holds? If price breaks back above this level of resistance, we could see the bulls drive this pair up, back up into these highs, and then potentially continue making a higher high. So we will see a break, retest, and continuation higher. For me, that could happen, but that's not what I'm looking for to happen. So if that does happen, at this moment in time, I wouldn't look to enter that long, just simply because I don't like how it looks, how it's setting up to look if it breaks and retests that level. I'll need to see something like maybe push up into this level, reject it, make a right shoulder, and then break, retest like that. Then I'll be confident in longing, and then potentially we could have like, this could be a head, that could be left shoulder, and then potentially that'll be a right shoulder. If that does happen, then I'll look to get long. If not, and we break this level, we see a break of this level, a clear break of this level, then I will look to get in short. So my reasoning behind that, this idea, is because price has been in an uptrend, hit highs of this level. Well, we haven't hit really no clear resistance here, but we've just made a higher high. And naturally, when price makes a higher high, if we see reversals forming, like it's potentially forming now, got a head, left shoulder, right shoulder, we could be rolling over to the downside. So if we do get a clear break of this level, to me, like I said, this is not a clear break. You want to see a clear break of this level. If we get that and make a low low, I'll wait for the retest back into this level. And we could draw this line just to show that. Tap there, tap here, and now we're currently testing it. Get a clear break, come back to retest this level, get the rejection, and then I will short it down into this next level of support for the lower low. So that would be head, left shoulder, right shoulder, breakout, retest, and then we'll anticipate price come to this lower low. That's the setup I'm currently waiting for on this, and I'll look to get in that. That's the two scenarios I could see happening on EuroCAD. You guys watch the pairs, watch the charts from what I've said, and see if it happens on the chart. Keep looking out for my videos. I hope you guys enjoyed this one, learned from it, took from it. Catch you on the next one. I'm out.